In this video, I show you how to fix Instagram new update Olivia font not showing problem. For fixing this problem, go to your Play Store. Now search, then search for Instagram. Click on Instagram. Now up to date Instagram. From here, if available any update, then go to your phone settings. Then go to apps. Then go to see all apps. Now search Instagram. Tap on it. Then tap on force stop. Then OK. Now click on storage and cache. Clear cache. Now open your Instagram app. Now click on plus icon. Click on story. Then click on create. Now tap to type. You can see that Olivia font showing here. Now I hope that this method fixes your problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.